Hi, my name's Dan and I'm here with Expert Village. I'm going to talk about the importance of not leaving a campfire unattended. One of the main reasons for this is because even a small breeze can make your fire grow quite quickly and can blow sparks into adjacent woods. So a quick demonstration, breathing on the fire. That'll quickly show just how much a little bit of air can add to your fire. If you need to go to the bathroom or do something quick around camp, ask a friend to mind your fire while you're gone. And also inform them of where your water is, or possibly your pile of soil. This is especially important in very dry areas, as most forest fires are started inadvertently by basic carelessness. This is how the forest fires in Colorado several years ago were started, and this is how the forest fires in Colorado were started several years ago, which destroyed millions of acres. So, the lesson to be learned from this is never leave your campfire unattended.